Whoa! Morning from my mountain garden. Misty, magical, and, yep, Leo already ran 3 laps.
We don't talk in the morning. We listen. To wings, to wind, to wonder.
Some people leave legacies. I leave muddy footprints and paw prints.
Today, I'll plant silence in me and see.
There he goes, our 4-legged forest police.
Rot turns to root. That's nature's way of saying nothing is wasted. We're heading to check what bloomed last night. Leo's already on patrol.
Tulsi tea is bubbling. Leo approves.
Farm fresh, sun toasted. Leo gets a bite if he doesn't beg too hard.
You guarding the roses today?
Everything I need grows a few feet from where I sleep.
You think treasure's buried deep. Sometimes it's just under yesterday's rain.
Okra hides like secrets, long, green, and only sweet if you handle with care.
Beats bleed stories, and I listen with my hands. Sweet! Today's harvest is a win. Leo, you're harvesting chaos, not grapes. Homebound, with nature's bounty.
Look, Leo, that's Lake Mama, raising her team better than any boss.
Leo, the home inspector's back at work.
Some peace before the crunch. Snack time. A little crunch, a little soul. Bigfoot-style snacks coming up. For the guardian of grapes, dinner served.
Now this is the reward for honest soil. You already had your share, mister.
See Leo, even the wind hums when the soul's full.
Go on, Leo, show me that speed. That's my little lightning bolt.
All right, champ, game over. Let's head in before the stars beat us.
Leo, that dog's not real. You can't chase him. A little garam masala, and boom, flavor explosion.
Make it tender. It's for royalty.
One for me, one for Leo. Just kidding, he runs on howls.
Mission Spices and Soda complete.
We hunt spices by day and chill like kings by evening.
Operation Refill. Complete.
Time to turn groceries into glory.
Now that's the kind of magic even mountains.
Tonight, the garden becomes a kitchen and a stage.
All right, fire. Let's turn flavor into memory.
Nothing beats fire-roasted truth on a plate.
The king forgot his crown. Biryani's still inside.
Now it's a festival, not just a meal.
Golden edges, smoky heart, just how fire likes it.
Catch it if you can.
If you enjoyed the chaos, don't forget to subscribe to Bakwaas with Bigfoot.
Every star's a story. And tonight, we lived ours.